So even if the area is very small, we have found very important evidence in it. We have found a floor level, which is up there in the corner. You can then zoom in and have a look at it. It's a white floor level made out of mortar, which was destroyed by the collapse of a wall of some structure which was placed up here, where now there's the enclosure wall. And the elevation walls of that structure, composed by blocks, stone blocks and bricks, fell down, smashed the floor level and destroyed the materials which were originally on it. Yesterday, during the excavation, we found a very nice, almost intact black glazed bowl, which was placed on the floor, half smashed by the collapse. So this is important because we will be able to obtain dating elements from it and reconstruct the succession of events in this area of the ancient Roman city of Melite.
Din hija waħda minn sensiela ta' sejbiet ġodda illi saru f'dan is-sit illi għandu sinifikat mhux biss għall-istorja ta' dan il-ġens, iżda saħansitra għall-Mediterran. Tul il-ġimgħat li għaddew, tim multidisciplinarju magħmul minn esperti Maltin, barranin kif ukoll qatt ta' volontiera komplew jibnu fuq xogħol li jagħmel fost oħrajn ser Temi Zammit aktar minn 100 sena ilu.
So what we're doing here is going back through Zammit's excavations to try and reinterpret what he found here. And we're looking at the street that we've got running down, a possible sort of open courtyard area here with perhaps some monumental architecture, houses, workshops. He thinks it was textile workshops. But what we're trying to do is reinterpret what we found and throw light on the end of Roman Malta, the great gap between the end of the empire and the rise of Islam. We know so little about it.
Daw kollha b'semm f'dan il-proġett mhux biss imiddu jdejhom għax-xogħol, iżda jitħattu jispjegaw lil dawk kollha li jterqu qrib dan is-sit storiku kif ukoll turistiku.
We put together a volunteer team to come and excavate here in Malta, and I suppose the importance of that is giving the local community an understanding of what we're doing. So the community outreach as part of intercontinental archaeology is extremely important, so that the locals find out what we're doing. They look after the site when we're not here, and it's important that Maltese people know about the heritage that's coming out of this particular area.
Pero kif jispjega l-koordinatur ta' dan ix-xogħol, Dr. David Cardona, dan il-proġett li issa daħal fit-tielet sena tiegħu għandu bosta għanijiet fosthom dak li l-pubbliku taħt supervizjoni jesperjenza mill-qrib dan il-land.
Għandhom l-opportunità li jiġu magħna b'xejn fil-fatt u mhux bil-forsi arkeologi, fil-fatt ħadd mill-Maltin li għandna magħna dis-sena huwa arkeologu, ħlief żewġ studenti tal-Università. U di xi ħaġa li niftħu kull sena.
Fil-fatt, Heritage Malta qed tistieden lill-pubbliku biex nhar is-Sibt 22 ta' Ġunju jiskopri l-istejjer li żvelaw dawn l-ispazji storiċi waqt Open Day.